Hi everyone, my name is Abdelrahman Khalaf. I have a master's degree and PhD in Periodontology and Implantology, and I am a lecturer of Periodontology and Implantology at Assiut University in Egypt. Recently, I have utilized Elite intraoral scanner from Shining 3D. From the first use, you can feel the difference. In addition to all the previous advantages that we are used to find in all Shining scanners, there are a new unique features in Elite intraoral scanner. After testing this scanner in a lot of different cases, especially in challenging cases like full arch implant cases, I can conclude that this scanner can overcome anatomical and physical limits found in all other intraoral scanners. To my knowledge, it is the only scanner that combines scanning technology and photogrammetry technology in one equipment. When we revise the literature, we can find dozens of studies that show the role of photogrammetry in improving the accuracy of capturing full arch implant cases by decreasing angular and Euclidean deviation, which is reflected as passive seating of the final prosthesis. When you utilize the photogrammetry option in Elite scanner, you have to use special scan flags or codes that can act like codes to locate the exact virtual position of the implants with a high degree of accuracy. Initial results revealed 15 microns repetition accuracy for full arch cases, which is considered extremely high. When you buy extraoral photogrammetry, in addition to its big size, you still have to buy an intraoral scanner. Then you enter the data into third-party software to accomplish this merging between intraoral scanning data and virtual implant locations. With Elite intraoral scanner, the story is completely different. Scanning and photogrammetry in one equipment. No need for cumbersome machines, and the merging of data is accomplished in the same software interface. In addition to all of this, there is a huge improvement in soft tissue capturing. No lagging, no mirroring. I can finish scanning of edentulous lower arch, which is considered the most challenging scenario due to the lack of stable landmark, just in 5 seconds. Width of capturing and the depths of capturing unparalleled. Whether your margin are very deep or the interproximal spaces is very narrow, capturing will be easy for the Elite. Also, the shape of the scanner is perfect. It's very light in weight and sleek. The software interface has several workflow wizards. You can select between restorative workflow, ortho workflow, implant workflow, or full arch workflow, where you can utilize the photogrammetry option and use the smart flags or codes. Full arch scanning is absolutely predictable and fun procedure. I love the smart and elegant workflow in full arch cases. We can now capture the exact implant positions accurately, irrespective of the unstable soft tissue. All the staff and me love this innovative technology that combines photogrammetry with intraoral scanning in one equipment. I am impressed with the degree of accuracy when delivering screw-retained full arch implant cases. You will feel the passivity in your hands. No limits of your indications now with Elite intraoral scanner. Whether you are utilizing it in ortho restorative implant cases or even most challenging cases like full arch implant procedure, Elite scanner changes the game completely.